Hello everyone, I am Snoopy the snake. Would you like to listen to a story of a smart boy Sonu? Oh, what a beautiful day it is. Sun is shining brightly.
Get up, Sonu. It's time to go to the school,
says Mama. Sonu gets up and packs his bag.
Hey, it's my swimming day today.
Sonu is so excited to go to the school.
Come on, children. Let's go to the swimming pool,
says Miss Sapna.
Yippee! It's fun time!
Lots of children are there in the swimming pool, splashing water at each other. Samriddhi is shivering.
Oh, the water is so cold. Oh.
After changing their clothes, it was their lunchtime. Sonu washed his hands with soap.
I have got my favorite sandwiches and strawberries in my box today.
After lunch, Miss Sapna took all the children to the garden. There were beautiful yellow sunflowers in the garden. Children rushed towards the swings. A big seesaw was there. Few children were swinging on the swings. Sonu loved to slide. Near the sandpit, there was a big spider and a beautiful sparrow. All the children had a great day at school. So children, let's see some words from the story. Sun, school, sandwich, soap, strawberry, sunflower, sandpit, slide, seesaw, swings, spider, sparrow. Let's sing a song of sound. Let's sing a song of sound. Spider song. Spider song. 6 small spiders sitting on a stone. 6 small spiders sitting on a stone. 7 little sparrows staring at the sun. 7 little sparrows staring at the sun. 7 little sparrows singing sweet song. 7 little sparrows singing sweet song. Spiders and sparrows playing along. Spiders and sparrows playing along.